Di naman nakaiwas pati mga kababayan natin sa Niagara, Ontario sa hagupit ng snowstorm Nemo. Marlou Tiro reports some of them have had enough of the snow.
The Niagara region in Ontario was not spared as Mother Nature unleashed its wrath with a heavy snow that reached more than 30 centimeters high. Although local transportation was still in operation, including via rail, long delays and trip cancellations were reported. Unplowed roads made it impossible for everyone to leave their driveway, prompting workers to be absent from work. According to one Pinoy worker at the White Oaks Resort in Niagara-on-the-Lake, administration offered a free transport or taxi for employees who will report for work.
During the storm, I did not go anywhere because the snow is so bad and it's windy. And one thing, my car is covered by the snow.
Various business establishments were closed earlier, while those that remained open reported a very slow business day. Many residents opted to stay indoors, and when asked whether these Pinoys enjoy the winter storm,
no, I don't like anymore.
Masakit sa likod. Grabe, yung hindi ako maka-escape dahil yung taas po ng storm. Hindi ko maano yung kotse.
While many are lamenting the slow business and inconvenience, youngsters seem to be unperturbed with the bad weather. Snow day means lots of playing and sleeping.
I was actually really happy. I was like, yay, no school.
Really excited and happy.
According to Environment Canada, St. Catharines had the worst snowfall in 29 years. For ABS-CBN News, Marlou Tiro, Niagara.